Morning, welcome to another episode of Pi Tou's Thai Kitchen. Now today we've got another Thai classic for you. This is the jungle curry, otherwise known as Gaeng Pa. And this isn't for the faint-hearted, and this is certainly not going to be dulled down. This is going to be full chili, full flavour, knock your socks off. So if that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to Pi Tou Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to cook another hot dish, jungle curry or Gaeng Pa. Right? Then I show you the paste. What the ingredient we use for the paste. Okay, start from 1 teaspoon of shrimp paste, 3 tablespoons of gachai, half tablespoon of garam, quarter of kaffir lamb skin, 1 red shallot, 20 pieces of dry chili, 10 pieces of small red Thai chili, 10 cloves of garlic. This one about 3 tablespoons of coriander stem, 3 tablespoons of lemongrass. Okay, all this paste for 200 grams of chicken breast, fresh chicken breast, and this vegetable I use aubergine, Thai long bean, and pea aubergine. You can put as you like. How much this one you like more, you put more. Yeah, whatever as you like. And fish sauce, 3 tablespoons. And the last one is the decoration, sweet basil. We cannot get the holy basil, then we use sweet basil instead. Young peppercorn, sliced gachai, and sliced sweet chili, red sweet chili. Okay, right. Okay, let's start to make the paste. First, we put lemongrass, dry chili, and garlic. Okay, now we put the rest. I put shrimp paste. And then the rest, the rest. And now our Gaeng Pa curry paste complete. Yeah. Okay, now I cut aubergine. Okay, this one the Thai aubergine. Yeah, look like this. After cut,
And what's the flavour like?
the flavor, I don't know, crunchy, but always the aubergine good for the curry. This one pea aubergine, Thai pea aubergine. Yeah. Okay, we put two type of aubergine and Thai long bean, or you can put any vegetable, anything you like. Okay, let's start. Warm the wok with just a little bit of cooking oil. Okay, when this one, you put curry paste. Dry curry paste. Until you smell curry paste. I put this one 400 ml in the mortar stone. When you smell curry paste, then you put chicken. You fry together. Put a little bit of water from the mortar stone. More water. Now the chicken have cooked. Then you put fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. To taste it.
Spicy? Okay, go on then, let me try then.
Try. Okay, we add one more fish sauce to make more tasty. Okay, after this one have cooked, aubergine. And then last, young peppercorn, chai, chili, and sweet basil. Okay, that's it. Okay, more decoration. Yep.
Okay, so here's the taste test. Look at this. This looks fiery. Oh, so good. This curry is not for the faint-hearted. It's spicy, pungent, full of flavor, and the crunchy aubergines, and especially the pea aubergines, the kachai, the young peppercorn, just everything just complements everything else. It's a perfect dish. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Give it a try. It's for a Thai curry. It's pretty easy to do. Probably the longest part is blending the ingredients together, and that's really, I can't stress this enough. It's so much better to do it in a pestle and mortar rather than using a blender. A blender, the heat generated by the blender completely changes the ingredients, changes the flavor, and not for the better. So I know it's a bit time consuming, and you know you're gonna have forearms like a champion arm wrestler, but it's really worth it. Probably for that amount that we pounded in the pestle and mortar, it probably took, I know, 10 minutes. You know, it just so much better. But yeah, give it a go and look after each other. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and yes, that's right, bang that bell. See you. Bye.